Welcome to Knowledge Point. Today we will learn how and when to use Hlookup in Excel. As you can see, this format 1 table provides same information as of format 2 table. Both the tables, this name is arranged differently. In one table, name is arranged horizontally, that is column by column, and in one table, name is arranged vertically, that is row by row. Now this format 1 table will grow horizontally because new names will be added in new column. Okay, so horizontal growth of this table. Now in format 2, new names will be added in new row, so it will grow vertically. So for this format we will apply vlookup, and for this format we will apply Hlookup. Now here our task is to output visit place based on name, this name and weekday provided. So we have to find visit place of Thomas on Wednesday. We will use two cases. In case 1, if our data table is in format 1, or in case 2 if our data table is in format 2. Now in this cell we will apply Hlookup. We have to Hlookup visit place of Thomas on Wednesday. Supposing that our table or data table is in format 1. So let's apply is equal to Hlookup, then press tab to bring open parenthesis or bracket. Then as you can see here, parameters are provided. So first parameter is lookup value. Our lookup value is Thomas, then comma, then we will select table array or our table. So this is our table. Okay, now as you can see, Wednesday is on 4th row with respect to our name row. Okay, our Hlookup row value should be present in first row of table array. So selected our table range. Now as you can see in selection, this name row present in first row, and this Wednesday is at first, second, third, fourth row with respect to name row. So after selecting table we will freeze it by pressing F4. Then after that, row index number B1 visit place on Wednesday. So Wednesday is at first, second, third, fourth. At fourth row with respect to our lookup row, that is name. So we will write 4. Then we will write false or 0 since it is exact type of Hlookup. Then enter. As you can see, on Wednesday Thomas will visit place 7. As you can see, this Thomas on Wednesday will visit place 7. This. Now here, if our data table is like format 2, then we have to apply vlookup is equal to vlookup, then press tab to bring open bracket, then our lookup value, then our table. As you can see, Wednesday is presented 4th column, then freeze it, then 4th, then false. As you can see, we got our place 7. In case if our table is arranged vertically, that is lookup is present, lookup value column present row wise. So this is how and when we should apply Hlookup. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then you can subscribe, like, comment or share this video. Thank you.